Alright, today I'm going to be planting a baby Canary Island date palm seed that I just put in this water for a few weeks until it germinated a little taproot. So I'm going to show you with little to no money how you could just take a potato chip little container and a drill with a nice big bit. You could plant it. So let's do this. Let's see if I can do this while holding the camera. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to drill a little hole right here in the top, just so I can have a humidity dome. So a little bit of breathing for humidity, but a little bit of air can come in. All right. That works. I'm gonna try to do this all in one take without editing or anything. So, okay, so perfect. Little breathing hole there. Now, the fun part, let's do the metal bottom. Drill some holes in here. One right in the center. Okay. Just to let some airflow come out. And let's do some smaller holes here too. That was a little bigger than I would have liked. Just small ones are all you need. Just to let the water out. And lastly, let's put the fifth one in. All right, there you go, 5 holes. Now, let's get some soil in here. Just a normal palm tree soil mix. And I add in some perlite. Okay, pack it down a little. Okay, now, here's the perlite I add in there. And here's the palm tree mix I use. I get it from Home Depot. So that with some perlite. Okay, so now what I do is I'll put a little, so make a little indent with a little Sharpie. Okay, and that's where I'm going to be dropping in this little guy. Let's get that water out. Might as well put it in there since it'll need it. Okay, you want to make sure to put the root down in there. Let me just get it in real quick so you can see. Okay, let me try to make it more straight. There you go. See, straight down. Now, let's get some more soil on the top. Some soil like that. Okay. I'm not going to tap it down because I don't want to damage the root. And let's just get some water and put it in like this. Fill it up really good. Keep watering it until water comes out the bottom. Just like that. I'm going to water it even more. I'm just going to put all this water in there. Just so everything's nice and moist. You can't really overwater a palm tree as long as you have well-draining soil. Or, yeah, as long as it's well-draining like that, you'll be fine. You can get root rot if you have it indoors and not well-draining soil. That's usually when the problem arises, but I haven't had any problems outside. So we got that. Lastly, let's just put the humidity dome cap on it and set it somewhere with the rest of them. And we'll check back in about a month and a half, and I'll make a new video.